Welcome back to the channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to clear your search history on TikTok. Really easy and simple to do, just takes about 30 seconds. So all you have to do is just head over to the TikTok application and open that up. And then once you're on here, you just want to head over to the Discover tab, so it's just the second tab from your left. Click on that, and then all you have to do is just go click on your search tab at the top, and then scroll down on the search and click on Clear Search History. And you will notice that your search history has now been deleted. I really hope I was able to help you guys out with this video. If I was helpful, be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.